Very, very delicious.
You know, I was to ask who made the soup.
I made it specifically for you.
I made it.
No, I am the one that made it.
You made it. I saw her making it.
And then if once applaud me now, I will cook very good soup for you. Won't you appreciate it?
All right,
I'm giving you pass mark. Not you go. You made it.
Thank you.
Whatever, whoever. Whoever. That's a good one.
You are going to make it again tomorrow.
Then you are going to give me money.
Our husband is here for us now.
When you add to the one he will give me now for me to buy all the meat inside.
Not you go. You have come.
It's
No
all right.
problem.
Hey, Daddy.
Have you heard the good news? She's now pregnant. Pregnant.
How? Where? How can she be pregnant after 18 years?
It's the last day.
I don't want to keep it to myself. Just to surprise you.
God did it.
That's why I kept it to myself till now. The good Lord has done it for us.
So, Gigi, very soon you have either a brother or a sister.
That is me.
Ifo, you are going to have
All of you.
It's me.
it's one family.
What is the matter with you? You want to push me down? Are you blind? You want to hurt me? Are you blind? I said, have you gone blind? Did you not see me when I passed?
Me? Mommy, what is that?
No. Imagine, I was here sweeping. Ojugo just rushed out of the house like a mad woman and pushed me down. Imagine. You want to hurt me?
It's a lie. I saw when your mother pushed my mother down.
Thank you, my daughter.
Dara, shut up your mouth. Stop supporting evil. I was here before you. And now you want to tell me what happened behind you.
So, who is evil? It's your mother and her generation that are evil. I send it back to you. And I give it to you 10 times. I send it 20,000 to you. I send enough. Back to you.
Enough! This moment, don't you go what you see? Huh? And two of you look at yourselves. Dara, don't you realize that Ifeoma is your senior sister?
Why would both of you be quarreling all the time here?
Instead of both of you to be living together peacefully, smiling as sisters, you are here supporting your mothers with all this nonsense. What is the matter?
I know it is Ojugo. Once you come out from your house, what you have in your mind is Ojugo, nothing else. It's Ojugo this, Ojugo that! Chidera, what is it? Chidera, what is that?
Yes.
What is it? What is it? What did people see?
Because you are always very troublesome. You are the troublemaker in this my house, I know. Let me tell you to your face, you're a troublemaker.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
Just look at that. Look at her, she's now pregnant after 18 years. Then instead of you to be doing everything in the house so that she does not miscarry again, you are here allowing her to sweep.
Nayo, I didn't do anything to her. I was here sweeping. She rushed out of the house and pushed me.
Huh?
Imagine, I didn't even see her. If I had seen her, that would have been another thing. But this one, I can't understand her.
It's okay, it's okay.
Ojugo, is it true?
Nani, she is a liar. You are a liar. Blatant liar. Lie, that is what you are. Now, wait, let me tell you. Since this girl found out that she's pregnant, she became a sacred cow in this house. I now became a tissue paper to her. She abuses me, calls me all sorts of names. Me? She does not give me one single respect again in this house. As if she has been the only one ever pregnant. Hey. Juga, are you the one saying this? Or am I seeing another person? Double picture. Hey. Are you the only one pregnant? Are Are you the only one who has ever been pregnant? What is it?
Hey, be careful. I am warning you for the very last time. Be very, very careful. Yes! And you don't look at me like that. Be careful. What is the matter with you?
Mom, Dad, Mommy Adeze, it's okay now. Please, it's okay.
Will you shut up your mouth there? Who invited you? Who invited you? Come, go inside.
Shema.
It's alright, oh my God. Go in and rest.
Look at. No, please don't tell me that. After I've given back to children, 1, 2, 3, and even to give birth to more. I have given birth and put my lives together. What are you telling me?
Will you shut up there? Shut up.
God is there watching us. You see this baby. You see this baby.
I said you go in and then rest. Stop talking.
Are you going to give birth to Jesus Christ of Nazareth?
Take this.
Okay.
Take this.
I should sit up.
Hey, come back here. I mean, you should use this room to sweep. Finish this sweeping. Here,
Oh,
now.
tell you to use this group.
Here, now. Finish it. Okay, wait for me.
Now, you said.
Mom, it's okay.
Don't finish it. Let me come out. Nonsense.
It's okay.
God send you today. God send you today. You will see. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Eh? Bless me. 17 good years, not 17 days. You can't give me a grandchild, and you are here. Mama, I'm not God. Please, Mama. Yes. Everything to God. Did your mother leave everything to God before she gave birth to you? Eh? Yeah. Ha. Okay. I can't allow you to hypnotize my son forever. You! Me, Mama. Why am I even wasting time with you? There's no need wasting time with you. Mama.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going. This is my husband's house. Go back to your husband's house now. Huh? I'm the only married woman in this town.
Yes. You forgot that your husband is my son.
And he's my husband.
And that this house belongs to me too. Blessing, leave this house. Have I asked for too much? Have I asked for too much?
What's wrong with you now? Man, leave my house. Leave me alone.
Okay, let me see how you will not leave. Call your husband. Please call your husband. You're calling your husband.
Honey.
By the time I come back, he's back.
Please come back. There's an emergency. Please.
What is that? Huh?
Please. Just start coming back now. Yes.
It's okay. Just calm down. I'll be right there and I'm on my way. I said calm down. I'll be there right now. In few minutes you will see me. Okay.
Mother-in-law is this?
He's not yet back, eh? Your husband is not yet back. Get up and go.
I'm not going anywhere.
You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. By the time you see yourself outside the gate, you will know that you are leaving this house.
What have I done to you now?
Nothing. Am I asking too much? Just a grandchild. One. I'm okay with one.
I'm not God.
Hey, you're not God. Okay now. Let's see if God will come down from heaven and throw child to you. She's not entering this house.
Says who?
I said so.
No. As the man of the house or as the pillar of the house? Mama. Be very careful. you dare not try God. You don't try God because if you do, you have problem. Mama, let me tell you from the bottom of my heart, you are trying to destroy my home. Yes, try to understand that you are trying to destroy my home. My not having children with my wife is not your concern. It is my concern. It is not yours.
It's my fault. It's my fault. Friday, Nant. Open your eyes. As for you, this dry tree you call your wife, let her enter this house. Let me see.
Mama.
Hey!
Mama, watch your tongue.
What are you doing here? Give me that phone. Give it to me. Give me. Bring your own.
I'm not with my...
Give me your own. Here is your own. Give me your own. Oh. You people think you can implicate me? You implicate yourselves. Come on, will you get inside? I said get inside. You want to implicate me? Come on, will you get inside? You implicate yourselves and not me. Rubbish.
Mamo,
Yes, so
sorry.
how are you doing?
I'm fine. Welcome. Just heat.
Yes, so
As usual.
I hope the baby is not complaining.
All this for me.
Oh yeah, ma'am.
Hey, Jesus. Hey. Yeast powder.
Yes.
Hey, it's very,
So
very
that you
necessary.
will be preparing the lactogen.
Yes.
Yes.
And for the baby's eyes
Of
too.
course.
Aye.
So that they can be seen clearly like an echo. You know?
Ooh. Hey, all this for me. Imagine. You are too much, my husband. Hey, I love this.
You have not seen anything.
Hey, I agree. Ooh, my dear, well done. Eh? God will continue to bless you for me.
Bless us.
Oh, my dear.
Thank you.
Oh, my husband.
Yeah.
I really appreciate
Yeah. Oh, what is good?
Hey, I made your favorite.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Today? I can't wait to eat from your pot.
Let's go inside.
Let's go.
No. I don't believe you. How could you say our father is not responsible for Omiadede's pregnancy?
I am your mother. You must believe everything I tell you. Because I have seen more years, more than both of you. So everything I tell you here, you must accept and believe in it.
Mommy, are you trying to tell us that our father is not our biological father?
No, it's not what I said. What I meant is that your father was strong then. But now, if you people are doubting me, now, why didn't Adeze got pregnant all these 18 years that we were all living together? Eh? Why is it now that people are calling her names, a barren woman and all that she now took in?
Mom, are we talking about our father here or Adeze? Mom, remember, you are the only person in this village who insults Mommy Adeze. That woman is a good woman.
And she take good care of us, don't you?
Yes. Look at these fools. Both of you are supposed to be my children. But look at the way you're sounding. You open your mouth and say that another woman is taking care of you more than your mother. Are you not a fool? Which means I'm not cooking and giving you people. Anyway, I don't have anything to tell you people now. All I'm saying is that just be careful before that woman poisons you. Both of you are the only thing I have. The only children existing in this house now. So you should be careful before she kills you.
Mom, you have changed though. You have changed, Mommy. Don't tell me you are jealous because of Mommy Adeze's pregnancy.
Mommy, Mama Adeze will not poison us. She's still my mother. In fact, I'm going there to go and eat. I'm hungry.
Come on, sit down. So, I'm deceiving you people now. You see that? Look at you. Don't you see her daughter? Her daughter listens to her. But both of you behaving like fools.
Honeymoon, I told you that love played under the banana trees is usually the best.
Hey, I'm enjoying you.
Yes, sir.
I'm enjoying you here.
Honey, it's going to suit your
always
complexion.
love you.
It's good.
I know. Thank you.
Those things I promise you that I'm going to buy for you, I must buy all of them.
I know you will do
I'll buy all of them. Let me tell you, if by any mistake you deliver this baby to become a baby boy, apart from buying goods for you, I will kill 7 cows for you.
Hey.
In addition, make sure that I go to your family house and give them cows, goats. Yes, I will.
That's my love talking.
I will kill and make sure that I send at least 1 or 2 to your family.
I know you will do that. My love.
The one for my baby, the one for my baby.
Take it. Take again. Love, you are the best thing that has ever happened in my life.
You are my honey. You are my sugar. You are my sweetie.
That's right.
Oh, let me love you.
That's
right.
Oh yeah.
Hey.
Oh yeah.
You know, it's a mix. Remix, yes. I'll leave that sweet things and say, doa thing. Let me doa you. Oh yeah.
Hey, God.
Baby, I suggest going back to my mother's house so that I can have peace of mind. Don't be scared every moment your mom comes around. Can I listen to me?
I'm all ears.
It's like God wishes. Like I said, another man should come and marry me.
Now listen. Anaghị esi Chineke ngọ. Isi Chineke ngọ inwe injury. Look, I married you, not my mother. Everything I have belongs to you. Everything I have belongs to you. Including me, I belong to you. And nobody will chase you away. Nobody.
What you are bringing in another woman as your mother suggested, so that peace can reign.
That will be over my dead body. I will never do anything like that. Have you not read stories or asked questions about polygamous families? Baby, I can't. I believe that God's time is the best. Makamadi eme injury.
Yeah, God's time is the best. But I'm scared of your mom. Anytime she approaches me, I feel like disappearing out of this earth.
Thank God you were there when I told her never to step her foot into this house. Why not smile for Daddy? Give Daddy a beg now. I cheer up. I love you too. So just calm down.
Mommy? Mommy, why are you crying? What is the matter? Mommy, please talk to me now. It's Oda Taifi. What's the matter?
Dara said, my husband is not responsible for my pregnancy. That I was impregnated out of wedlock.
Jesus Christ! Come on, Mommy, no. Dara can't say a thing like that.
She said her mother told them.
Dara say such a thing to you? Dara! Dara, I say, what did you tell my mother? Dara, I say, what did you tell my mother? So each time I go out, you insult my mother, right? And then I'm asking you. I'm asking you.
I don't tell you. Leave my dog. I'll kill you. You lying to. It's okay. It's okay.
Hey, what's going on here? What is this now? What's going on here? Come on, somebody tell me what.
Lay your hands on me. Look at this husband statue saying that my pregnancy. You are not responsible for my pregnancy.
What?
Look at her.
Tell me it is not true.
My husband, she is a thief. She stole my husband from me. She stole you away from me. She must leave you for me. You belong to me.
Amechi, just look at this. This is what has been happening in my house these days. Eh? We no longer live in peace. We no longer eat from same pot, same plate anymore. Because everyone is fearing the other for food poisoning. Can you imagine? Now you go take these children inside. Are you? Come on, enter. Let me ever hear that two people are fighting again in this house. What is this? What is happening in my house? Huh? Oh God.
Young lady, are you the lady that came yesterday?
Yes, ma'am. It's me.
Ah. You're welcome.
Thank you.
But were your parents or anybody aware that we are coming here?
No. Except my friend that brought me here. What everybody knows that is an escort.
That's good. That's good. Because we don't accommodate anybody that the parents were aware that she's coming here.
My friend warned me seriously against it.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So relax. Don't panic. You are in a good hands.
Doctor, someone is waiting for you downstairs.
Okay, go back to the work. You will come.
Baby, now that I want to travel to China, how are you going to cope?
Baby, I can't stay alone in this house. I can't.
It's okay. But you know I'm traveling for our own good. And besides, I am not going to stay long. Just 6 to 7 months, I'm back.
6 to 7 months?
Back, yeah, just that. Or are you worried about my mother?
Honey, I can't stand your mom. You know that. You know that very well.
I think I've told you that she will never set her foot in this house again. I am going to warn the security man, Boko, in that regards.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, that is it.
Thank you. Honey, I'm going to miss you so much.
I'll miss you too. I'll miss you more than you do. But you know I am traveling for our own good. My duty is to put food on your table. Or do you want to starve?
No.
So I'll travel for our own good. Now I'm going to make a toast for Johnny Mercy and for your happiness as well. Cheers.
I love you, Annie.
I love you too. More than you can imagine.
I'm so lucky to have you.
Yes.
Hey, how'd you go? You're walking. Well done, eh? Hey, Daddy. I saw you coming. I said, let me come and look. What did you buy for? Hi!
It's all for you.
All this for me?
Just look at the way you are spoiling her. Just look at how you're messing up with this thing. As if she's going to give birth to Jesus. Look at it.
So what's your concern, Audrey? What's your business?
It is my concern because I gave you male and female children. And when I gave you those children, you have never spoiled me or bought any gift for me.
Imagine.
Tell her that she is now what they call after 2 or 3.
Of course.
So suffer conji for a while.
My husband said you are after 2.
Proudly after 2. Your own is potato. And you are messing up. I will hit it out of your mouth. You will see. I will hit it out of your mouth. Look at you.
Let's go inside. I want you to touch my stomach and feel the baby scratch my
Which
back.
stomach?
Is it kicking?
Which stomach is she? Which stomach are you touching? Which stomach are you touching? This one. Just leave me alone. This man belongs to 2 of us. He belongs to 2 of us. What nonsense?
After 2.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Please,
2 of us are entering the house.
my husband, though.
Look at you.
She's smelling like a termite.
I will be smelling like a termite. No problem.
Please, I want him to hear the news before he travels abroad. He said he'll be saying 6 to 8 months. I want him to hear the news.
Hey, Mrs. Frydon, you don't need to worry. I've been helping people in such condition. So you're not the first and you're not going to be the last.
How are you going to do it? How?
Let's look at it this way. Suppose you are 2 months pregnant before he leaves. How about that?
Doctor, how is that possible?
Just like that, okay. Drop your dress with me. Leave your dress with me. I will handle it. Just like that. Just like that. I will handle it. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much, Dr. I can just support.
Stop doing all these rigorous exercises. It's not going to go well with the baby.
But Daddy, I'm not complaining now. I'm strong enough. Let me sweep, please.
I know. Excuse me. I know you are strong enough. But please stop. Soon now, you will start complaining that the baby, has started kicking at the wrong time. Please don't.
Okay.
Instead, let me do the sweeping.
You?
Yes.
Please give me give me. I won't allow you.
Okay, I will not sweep. Is that okay by you? Oh, yeah.
Okay, it's okay.
All right, my love. Maybe at the end of the day, I will sweep.
Okay. No problem.
See the beauty.
Hi.
Look, the other exercise is that.
Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Frydon. Once again, congratulations.
Dr. Kate, I'm still confused. Why the compliment?
Mr. Frydon, your wife is 2 months pregnant.
Jesus Christ. Jesus.
Pregnant. Oh, God, I thank you. Me.
Praise the God of Israel.
Hallelujah.
The Lord is good. The Lord is good. The Lord is good.
Oju, so you purposely left your apartment and it came even right in my backyard to look for trouble. Why? What have I done to you to deserve this?
This whole compound belongs to both of us, so I have rights to go anywhere I want to go and enter any room I want to enter.
Of course you have right, but please leave me alone.
Am I holding you?
Is it an offense to be pregnant? Oh, for my husband?
Is your own you?
You have your own children. Allow me to have mine.
See, who says the abomination? Don't I have my own children? Eh? Don't I have my own children? What is the big fantastic? Every time I have abomination to have my... Am I holding you?
Thank God you know that you have your own children. So allow me to have my own children. I'm begging God to give me one more child. And I am comfortable with the pregnancy. So leave me alone now.
You should have been contented with one you have. You are a greedy woman.
Are you?
I said you are a greedy woman. And if in case not taking this compound, will not enter both of us. Rubbish. Oh. What is it, Seth? Nonsense. You should have stayed calm and leaving my husband alone. You are just throwing him about. Anyhow you want it, I will give it to you. What is it, Seth? What is it that is the big deal about you?
Thank God.
Eh?
Go.
I said, what is it?
Not that I don't know what to do to you. Not that I don't know. I'm just keeping quiet just because of something else. Not that you... Anyway, we shall see. We shall see, Ojuko. We shall see. One day I will tell you that I'm not a lizard in this house. I'm not a millipede that you always crush. Anyway, we shall see. Ojuko, look at my childhood friend. I made a very big mistake. For persuading my husband to marry her. God, where have I gone wrong? Where have I gone wrong, Ojugo? Every time trouble, just because I am pregnant. Oh my God.
Baby, I told you, anaghị esi Chineke ngo. Abịa esi ya ngo chacha, isie ya ngo, inwe injury. You see, God has finally answered our prayers. Yes.
after so many years of waiting on God. God, I thank you so much.
You are wonderful, Lord. God is awesome. He's wonderful. Baby.
Yes, honey.
If this baby turns out to be a baby boy, we will call him Franklin.
Wow, honey. That would be so cute.
Franklin. But if the baby turns out to be a baby girl, we will call her Frankincense.
Frankincense?
Yeah.
No, honey. Have you seen anybody with such name?
Of course. The name is in the Bible. Or do you want me to quote where it is? It's a very nice name. Very important for that matter. Yeah.
No. I don't like that name.
What's your problem? It's a very unique name.
No.
Or do you like when you call, what do you say, Franca? You will see one idiot who just run to you.
Okay, no problem.
You need a unique name. When you say Frankincense.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, well.
You win, Frankincense. Okay, no problem.
God is wonderful. Honestly. It has been so good.
You, I was told that you don't like taking your drugs.
I'm taking it.
You are taking it too. Do you think that I'm after you? After the baby? It's the baby that I'm after. Take this one. Chew them. Chew them! After your lunch this afternoon, you take this one. Then later in the evening, you take this one too. Make sure you take them. Nurse, please monitor her. If she refuses to take the drugs, report her to me. Let me know what is wrong with her.
Mama, I want to tell you that henceforth, you should stop terrorizing my wife. Stop terrorizing her. And I also want you to be in the know that she is 2 months pregnant for me.
Hey, this is in news. The caster himself. My friend, if you have a plan to adopt a child with your wife, you let me know. I'm your mother. Eh?
Mama, I have always told you that God's time is the best.
Yes, God's time is the best.
Yes. I told you. Na anaghị esi Chineke ngo. Adị esi ya ngo. Isi ya ngo, inwe injury.
As usual.
Injury.
I'm used to that.
Mama.
Hey, news.
I am about traveling to China. Yes. I am about traveling to China to buy some goods. And I want to sound this as a warning. I don't want to see you step your foot anywhere around this house in my absence. Mama, if you try it, I will disown you as a mother. You will cease to be my mother.
Woo! Fool! Fool! Mrs. Frydon, Your husband has come and whispered to you, and you immediately changed your own plans. You disown me, or should I be the one to disown you people?
You have every right to say anything you want to say because you're my mother. Dare me. Just dare me.
Have you ever seen a dry tree bearing fruit? It's not possible. It's not. Fool.
God, I thank you so much if this plan works out. God, I will give you something that has 4 legs. I will be using only artificial. I will be very careful and always stay indoors now. As if I travel with my husband. What if my mother-in-law comes? No, she can't. My husband told me that he wants her not to step into the house until he returns. The doctor said that she has been doing it for people. My own will not be different. I will still keep my knees on the ground till my own works out.
It's you that is mad. Wait. You opened this your smelling, useless mouth to call me mad. You were the one that opened her smelling gutter to call me a mad woman. So I gave it back to you. In fact, you are stupid. You are more than a fool. You are more than a fool. How you cannot do anything?
It's okay. Mama, it's okay.
Harry, you better warn your mom more. It's becoming too much of her in this house. Does she want us to fly or what?
Mama, will you shut up? Will you shut up and let my mother talk?
Then are you crazy?
What?
Is something wrong with you? Don't you know from your elder sister?
Just leave
me now. Who called you?
No. Leave her. Leave her to come and talk to me anyhow. I don't blame you. Like mother, like daughter.
He's my son now. It is not this coward that I gave back to.
But one day, I will show you people that I'm here. I have been here before you people came to this house. This house is my own. Yes. What I will do to you in this house? What I will do to you in this house? You will shit out this thing in your pocket. Don't think you will do anything to me. Come on, get out of my face. Come on, get out. Idiot. Jealousy. Go and celebrate that I bailed you out. I bailed you out. I bailed you out. Look at it. Nah. Go and die. Stupid element.
Where's that stupid one? Where is he?
Anyway, I'm coming. Oh. You are worthy, Savior. You are worthy.
Thou alone art worthy to be praised. Thou alone art worthy to be praised. Father, I praise your name forever. You are worthy to be praised. Let them go and die. And you know I can beat you and your God simultaneously. I don't need any help from any native doctor to do that. I can be both of you, black and blue, at the same time. Oju, please, I beg of you, allow peace to reign in this family. What is all this? What is all this, Ojugo? Which peace? In America or in Nigeria? As far as this compound is concerned, there's no peace between you and me. In fact, you are very, very much. Husband snatcher! It's you snatched my husband from me. It's you, Ojugo, that is mad. Because I've been living happily with my husband before I introduced you and your madness into this family. Madness will kill in this house. Just look at you. I will deal with you. What will I do for you to understand that I'm the owner of this compound? Go back to your father's house and leave me and my husband alone. Which father's house? This is my house. Okay. I have come to stay. I came and I bailed you. I bailed you and I took over. Overtaking is allowed. I have overtaken everything in this house. Back and go. Go back to your husband's house. Let me have peace. Let me live happily with my husband. If you want to stay in peace. Okay. Am I a troublemaker? You are. Why can't you leave me alone? I will kill you. If you don't, I will destroy you. Husband snatcher. Look at her. Please, it's okay. It's okay. Let me tell you what. You see this madness that always comes from your mouth. You will run mad. You will run mad. That's inside the market, but in these villages. You will see it, and God will not only make you mad, but will strike you dead. Let me. It's okay. Back to you 10 times. It's okay. Holy Ghost fire. 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 Mom is okay. Fire. Holy Ghost fire. Holy Ghost fire. Mama, I said fire. Mama, fire.
Mazi Arrange, this one that your face is like this, what actually is wrong? I was watching you from afar to know the rainbow does not appear on the sky in vain.
My brother, wonder shall never end. Elder Thomas, I said wonder shall never end.
You should go straight and tell me the true story. What actually happened? Avoid these idiomatic expressions.
Go to Denibo's house and see things for yourself. Ojugo has gone mad.
I can't believe this. How?
Since Adeze became pregnant, she had never allowed Ojugo to rest.
I think it was Ojugo that was troublesome. How did it come down to Adeze? What's going on in that family?
I think Odenibo is the cause of this problem. Yes. Odenibo is not a prophet. Odenibo does not attend church. Odenibo predicted that Adeze will give birth to a baby boy. Since then, Adeze became pompous and arrogant and has insisted that Ojugo will go mad. And now, Ojugo is mad.
Jesus Christ. I can't believe this.
You are still doubting me. Go there and find out for yourself. I said I'm coming from that place.
Okay. That's so good you.
sweetheart. Yeah. I'll be leaving Nigeria tomorrow.
Honey, I miss you so much.
It's alright, it's alright. I'll welcome my baby with a new chip.
Really?
Trust me.
Please answer me this question. When exactly are you coming back?
I'll be back in 6 to 7 months' time.
No. Honey, it's so long now. I'm missing you very much. Huh?
Don't worry, I'll be back. I'll be back.
It's so long. I can't stay alone like that.
Baby, remember I left enough money in your account. I will take care of you and the baby.
Honey, I'm not talking of money. I need you here beside me, especially this very period of time.
But it's alright. My phone will be ringing in your ears all the time. Trust me, you know I love you. Yeah. And listen, don't worry. You'll be happy when I come back. Take care of my baby. Take very good care of my baby. Okay?
Alright, honey.
That's my baby. Bye. I miss you. Love you too.
Chidera, what he has written, no objections. His words are final. Trust only you, and I know you will deliver me. Life is full of wickedness, everywhere. Rescue me.
Doctor, thank God my husband has finally traveled. But how are we going to handle this so that nobody will find out?
Madam Blessing, stop panicking, okay? Stop panicking. Relax your mind. Your own will not be different. I've been into this business for a long time, so just relax.
Doctor, I know, but I'm only trying to play safe.
Hey, very soon, you'll be a proud mother. You carry your own baby. Trust me.
I pray so. But doctor, as soon as that happens, my husband is going to paint this town red.
Are you serious? Hey! Remember, you're still owing me 200,000 naira.
Can you imagine? There's just a little quarrel, and you caused madness on your mate.
My husband, I swear I am innocent. I didn't do anything to her.
Daddy, my mom is innocent. Daddy, she was the first to call my mother a mad woman. And she also told my mother that she's going to see the other side of her. I was there. And that was when they were quarreling.
My husband, how can you believe that? How can I make Ojugo mad? Were we not a happy family before now?
My question is, what have I not done for you? What? I think it seems I have to believe Ojugo that I may not be responsible for this pregnancy after all.
Jehovah Nisi. Hey. Are you telling me this? Eh? While you know I knew no other man than you, since I became a full woman, I swear with my life.
Then what do you have against Ojugo? What? Was it not the fact that she wanted to prove and then you make her mad?
Which fact? Which fact are you talking about, my husband? Am I a wicked woman? My husband, please listen to me. Something is wrong somewhere. Believe me, I didn't do anything. I can't do such an evil thing.
Now you better listen to me and listen good. If at the end of the day I find out that you are responsible for all this, I swear to God, I'm going to do something unimaginable in this house. Now will you get back to your quarters? Rise and get out of here. Don't go back to your apartment.
I should go back.
Are you deaf?
Mama, Mommy, please tell me the truth. Do you have a hand? You know Chugo's madness.
Ifoma,
Mommy.
are you the one asking me this question? Hi. You know your mother very well.
Yes, Mom.
You know what I can do. Am I wicked?
No, Mom.
Oh, God. I didn't do anything to Ojugo. I swear with my life. I swear with my unborn baby. I swear.
Okay, Mom.
My hands are clean.
Calm down, okay? His word is wicked. The word is wicked. Mommy.
Oh God, please come quick and rescue me. The water is about to drown me.
Mommy, it will never drown you. In Jesus' name, it will never drown you. Mommy, I believe in God.
The water is about to drown your mother.
Mommy, it's a lie. It will never happen. I trust God, it will never happen.
How can it happen? How can people understand me again? I've tried all my possible.
Mama.
Madam, your stomach don't come mad small. God, they're great.
You mean it? Now God being though.
Madam, I can't wait to see this child. I will be taking him to school every day by day.
Really? Boko, just wait. Let the child born so we know if it's him or she.
But that is true, Mana. Let the child be him, so that we go to play football together. If I play for her, he go play for me. What I go score goal. After the reggae play the boom, Madam, I better buy kuli from you. No, Oga, don't play your own ball. Play your own ball. Go score. Bim. Madam, stomach. Boom. Boom. Small time now. Madam go born twins.
Ne, you need to see that woman. Hey, I did her own perfectly, and I'm going to do your own like that. Don't worry.
Dr. Kate, I pray this our plan work out for you.
It's going to work out.
You need to see how our neighbors are congratulating you.
Are you serious?
You understand that children make mothers proud.
Oh yes, children are proud of every mother. Oh, don't you know? My dear, relax. I'm telling you, relax. I will take good care of everything. Relax. Alligator picking never goes on a shameful journey. Trust me.
My husband. Hi, honey. Your baby is fine. Yeah. Okay. Honey, Dr. Kate is here. She wants to speak to you. Okay, no problem. My husband.
Hello. Mr. Freedom, good day. Oh, fine, thank you. Yes. No, don't worry yourself. I'm taking good care of them. Yeah. Oh, the Almighty God we are serving is a living God. He is solidly behind us. Don't be afraid. I'm taking good care of them. Don't worry. Just relax yourself. Oh, same here. Thank you. Thank you. Sure. No problems. Okay. Hold on for your wife.
Hello, baby. Okay. Yeah. Bye.
Men, they think they are wise. Don't worry. We just do it perfectly. Just like other women. I've been doing it. I've been into this job for a long time. Hey, it will work out. Those people that congratulated you that time, they are going to congratulate you again. Double. Yes, it will work out.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Mrs. Sokolo, my dear, I told you that God's time is the best, but you didn't believe me.
I don't understand you.
You mean you have not gone to see your daughter-in-law blessing?
Of what use is my going to see her for, to me, since they want me not to come to their house any longer?
I think it's because of your character towards her.
My character? Ugoma, tell me, which woman will go asleep when her daughter-in-law has not given her grandchild? Ugoma, answer me this. Would you go asleep if it is to be your own daughter-in-law? Well, I don't blame you, my dear. I don't blame you. Is he that wears the shoes knows where it pinches?
My dear, rejoice. Rejoice, God has done it for you. Very soon, I mean very soon, you'll carry your grandchild. Believe me.
How?
I saw Blessing, your daughter-in-law, heavily pregnant.
Ugoma, how much were you paid to carry this propaganda?
My dear, this is not propaganda. I mean it. I saw it with my 2 eyes. Go to Lagos and see things with your 2 eyes. Go and see it.
I think this sun is too heavy and it's entering the brain. I think it's time we go. Let's keep moving. Let me see you off. Get up.
Are you chasing me?
No, I'm not chasing you. I'm just escorting you.
Take your mother aside. Informer, take her aside and interrogate her. Talk to her, find out how she made Ojugu mad. Did you get me? Because the way it is, it's up here. I am going to behead her. I will cut off her head. I am going to use my sword and be sure that I cut her off. Cut the head off. How can she be behaving like this?
My husband, how can you say that to me? I thought you know me very well. You know me in and out. You know what I can do and what I cannot do. How can I do such an abominable thing?
And there's a shut up. Shout this moment and say the truth. Because it is only the truth that will save you.
I didn't do anything.
Say the truth! You made her mad! How can you be asking me if I know you or if I don't know you anymore? Am I not the one that married you? Am I not? Talk to Ogene. What is it?
Listen to my mom. But I think she's not responsible for all this. Please,
Hey, Ifoma, shut up. Ifoma, shut up. If you don't want to, just shut up. Else, I will deal you let it slap. What are you saying? Okay, my own mother now just got mad. Just like that.
Can you watch?
Eh?
Talk to her. Talk to her! Because all these crocodile tears will not and can never become the solution. I will kill you! Talk to her! I am leaving. By the time I come back, I want you to open that your mouth and tell me the truth. The truth you have found out from her. Let us go. I'll come back. I will come back and watch out what I'm going to do if you people don't tell me the truth. Nonsense.
Imagine.
Imagine me.
How can I make Ojugo mad? How? For what? For what?
If they allow me to talk, I will say that Ojugo is the cause of her madness. I know her very well. Maybe all her evil deeds has turned against her.
My sister, I'm heard that Adeze said it openly, that Ojugo will never overshadow her again. She will deal with her.
I don't believe that. Adeze, I know, cannot do such thing. Or have you forgotten that it was Adeze who pushed the husband to marry Ojugo? She can't do it.
My dear, human being can change at any time, especially now Adeze is pregnant, okay?
Anyway, Mazo Denibo has said it, that he must get to the root of it. So, let's wait and see what will happen next.
My dear, God knows the better, okay?
Let's go.
Jesus Christ, this security man would have nearly seen me. I have to be very, very careful. This is a delicate situation. Instead, I stay alone in this house. Women are wiser than men. Nobody will find out. Even the gods are not ripe enough to catch a woman in love. I know what to do.
Uncle, please now. Uncle, please. Uncle, please remember that my mother is your flesh and blood. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive her. Please, Uncle.
Ifoma, you know I'm a traditionalist. I shall in no cause support evil. Your mother commit abomination. She seeks to be my sister the day she became mad.
Uncle, you mean she can't give us any help? Knowing fully well that she's heavy with pregnancy, Uncle.
Your mother committed abomination. There's no way I will support evil. There's no way the gods will kill me. You cannot go.
Uncle, I should go.
Ifeoma, go.
Uncle.
You leave.
Uncle, please now. Uncle, please.
Ifeoma, leave. Please, leave.
Uncle, please.
Ifeoma.
Boko. Yes, madam. Come.
Madam.
Boko, I have a message for you. In fact, from your master.
Message from my master.
You know, soon I'll be put into bed. So he said I should come over there.
Is that so? Hey, I like it.
Well, Boko, this is 100. This is 50. My husband said I should give it to you. Take. It's your money. Take it. Are you afraid? It's your money. Take. It's yours.
Hey! Hey! 150,000. Hey! Madam. Thank madam. Tell my oga that I am very happy with this money. I will find a better thing to do than this security work. Hey! Madam, God go bless you. Bless my master, your husband. Bless your family. Everybody for this compound. God go bless you now. Where. Hey!
Well, he's saying his brother will be coming over to take over the house.
150,000. Madam, thank ma.
You can go.
Tell my oga that I am very happy with this money. I will find a better thing to do than this security work. What is security work? Hey! I don't be security again.
What are you doing?
Eh? Madam, may I go now? Or may I leave on tomorrow?
Just, you can go now. Stop packing
No.
Yeah.
Hey! Madam, God go bless you. God go bless you. Bless you. Bless you well. Bless your master. Hey!
You can go now.
Go in.
Oh, thank God. This one is over. Oh, it's unfair. This people want to put me in trouble.
They will never enter this house again. Yes. Evil people. They will not. I don't have the key.
The evil one was not got punished.
That's right.
Yeah?
That's right. Yes.
Adeze is satanic.
Yes.
She is evil.
Wicked witch.
Daddy, I will not have it for my room.
Oh, you need that room? From this moment, it's now your house.
Thank you. Oh, my darling. My sugar.
How can we be giving them this room to be messing up?
Yes.
Evil people.
Evil people. I told you now.
Oh,
I told you. I didn't take my husband away from me.
Mama, what is all this now? Mama, you scatter our clothes everywhere. What is the problem? What is all this, Mama? What is all this, Mama? What is all this now? Mama, what is all this? Why do you scatter our clothes outside like this? Mama, I know if I should leave you this place, you're going to suffer. Huh?
I'm innocent, though. I'm innocent.
Mama, I know that you are innocent. Don't worry, I will help you pack them. Don't worry, Mama. I will help you pack them. Don't worry, let me help you.
I'm innocent. I'm innocent.
No, you're innocent, Mama.
I didn't do anything.
Hi, honey. I'm fine. Yeah, the baby is fine. Baby, your mom
came by yesterday. Yeah. She saw me yesterday with my pregnancy. She started dancing. Yeah. No. I begged her to enter the house. She refused. Baby, I knelt down. I begged your mother. She said no. Yeah, I'm telling you the truth. Even Boko left the house last week. He says he's no longer interested in working as a security man. So, I don't know. I even promised him to increase his salary. He refused. I'm missing you. When will you be back? I'm alone. Okay. Yeah. I love you. Yeah. I can take care of myself. Just that I'm missing you. I'm missing you so much.
A few minutes ago, when we just dozed off, and me too, I slept off. Just a few minutes, you dreamt another bad dream. What was the dream about? And I told you, let us go inside and sleep. You refused, and the personality and slept.
Let's go in now.
Are you not going to tell me what the dream is?
I'll tell you later. Let's talk later.
Before 2 months, they will put to bed. And by then, you will be due for 9 months. I mean, why this worry?
I still rely on you. But to avoid disappointment.
No.
I can give you the balance.
No, just hold it. Till you carry your baby. When you carry your baby, you can give me the balance. Stop panicking. I don't know why you are being worried. I don't know. Just relax. Things will sort itself out, okay?
bezina o chuku nonso. Neme bezina o chuku nonso. Mama me bezina o na chuku nonso.
Ifeoma, how are you doing?
You're fine.
I say, how is Mama?
As you can see, she's peaceful today.
Please, I want to beg you for something. Make sure you always take care of her. You know, she's still important for me and for you. Don't forget that. I got some foodstuffs for you. Always use it to take care of her. And, yeah.
Thank you very much. This for us. Hey, Brother Rizzy, God bless you. Huh? If not for you, I
It's
wonder...
alright. I always tell you not to worry yourself. The only thing we are praying for is for Mama to get well. Hmm? Don't worry yourself.
I'm innocent too. I'm innocent.
I know. I know you are innocent. Please, I have to be on my way now. I never came with my vehicle. I bought a bike. I will come and see you tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
I'm innocent.
No problem. Yeah.
I'm
Thank
innocent.
you very much.
I'm innocent too.
We appreciate it.
I'm innocent too. Do you know? I'm innocent too.
Bye.
Thank you very much. God bless you. This place is smart for us.
Let me be drinking now. This one that you have decided to be drinking water like a toad. Hmm? Yeah.
I like to drink water.
No, it's good, it's good. It's good for your body too. Yeah. I drink too.
Okay.
But this one is good to clear your throat.
Hmm? What about your wife, Adeze?
Wife? Which wife? That witch? Eh? That witch? She is no longer my wife. She's not my wife. I have rejected her as one. And I've sent her and the daughter out of my life. Out of my house. They don't belong here.
But, Odeniwo, my spirit is telling me that Adeze is innocent. Why not look for her and bring her home? Above all, remember, she is carrying your baby. She's pregnant for you.
What pregnancy? What child? Listen, they are not mine. God forbid bad thing. The gods forbid that. Hmm? Yes. I told you that I've sent them packing. I don't know who they are. As simple as that.
Odenibo, remember that you told me that Ojugo was the witch in the house.
That was then. Because now I have found out who the real witch is. She is the witch.
What about your daughter, Ifeoma?
Oh, that one? Like mother, like daughter. Yes. I've sent 2 of them packing. Well,
Okay, Odenibo. One thing is sure. Think like a man. Reason like a man. And act like a man.
I have heard you. Thank you very much.
It is beyond woman understanding.
All right, I've heard you.
you so much. I want to marry you.
I love you too, but as you can see, my mom has mental problem, and I am the only one taking care of her. It's just a problem.
Why can't you take her back to your father?
Not under this condition. Except if you can marry me and we'll move into the house with her, then I'll be fine.
No problem. No problem. I hope she's not harmful.
No, not at all. Oh. She doesn't. She's very cool, you know.
She can't hurt you.
No, she can't.
No problem. No problem. I have some things in the boot. Let me just get them. I'm coming. I'm coming back.
Hey! Ekema! Ekema, come here! Come back here! Ojugo, what is it? Eh? What is that? Why are you shouting my name like that? Eh? Who do you think you are? Eh, Ojugo? I'm asking you. Is it the way you are or something else? Let me tell you, I have heard how you have been gossiping with my name. But I want to warn you, here and now, the next time I hear my name in that your guttered mouth, I will not only... You do what? Ojugo, is that a threat or what? Are you threatening me? Oh, so you think that I am Adeze, your co-wife, whom you have bewitched and took away her husband's love from her? Wicked woman, husband snatcher. Be careful, because when this witch enters your own house, I will not only make your husband to drive you away from that. Anyway, he's wretched. I don't even need him. But he will cut off your head. Let me warn you, this one you are running your mouth like a disgusted milk. Let this be the last time I will get you speaking of my name. Because this your wiseness, I will make sure I not only beat you, I will make it rot in your mouth. Don't worry, one day, the god of Adeze will rise. Everybody in this village will see the anus of a fowl. Anyway, I don't blame you because your own house and I can't enter. I can't enter your house. You are left over. The god of Adeze will rise. And the truth shall be revealed. And all the villages will see the anus of a fowl. You Oju, you will see.